Hello friends, welcome to a new video. I'm here with Rachel.
Hello.
Rachel. Wait, this is Rachel. She's vlogging now. What is your channel?
It's just my name.
Oh, okay.
Rachel Snow.
Rachel Snow.
AEL.
I'll put it right here. Go to her YouTube.
That's so YouTube-y.
Anyways.
I'll link it down below.
There we go. It's in the drop bar, whatever. But it's so exciting because we are about to leave and head to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah!
So I just got to Arizona last night. It took me from 4:45 p.m. till about like 2 a.m. That's Arizona time. So like 4 a.m. So basically 12 hours of travel because MCO got locked down for a security breach.
Wonderful.
It was great. But anyways, we're about to go on like a 4-hour car drive, get in and out, and get to the Grand Canyon.
Desert.
See the desert? I've never seen it. Oh my god, I already freaked out about the cacti. And then we're gonna see the Grand Canyon. So, see you soon. Okay, this is just a quick update because like, look at this drive. This is wild. We're just driving along like mountains. We're going down. We're also listening to murder podcasts. So, it's really casual.
It's cherry bunch.
Cheese popcorn, yeah, for the drive. Wow! Look at it though! Like it's not even as close on camera. Let's see if I can. This is insane. And my ears are popping so bad.
So much.
Wild. Oh my. Guys, we made it. It's so quiet outside.
Here it is, the Grand Canyon.
this is it. This is why we drove all this way. Just for this. No, we're staying at Yavapai. So we're going to check in. We're about to get hit by a car, so it's fine. But here's the thing. We're gonna go in here. Okay. Well, we made it. We're all checked in. We're staying at
checked in.
Yavapai Lodge. I don't know. Anyways, so we are here. Right now I am looking at one of our like little guide things, and this is the coolest thing I think I've seen, is that it lists every sunrise and sunset time. So like you can just look in here and find exactly when the sun's gonna set. So we'll probably do that tonight, but I'll show you guys our room. It's actually really nice. So we have our 2 beds and Rachel's bed. And then we have a big TV. There's no Wi-Fi, but that's all right. We do have television. And then there's this awkward space over here. Don't know what it's for. But then our bathroom. And our bathroom is like really nice. I'm very impressed. Very clean. So that's exciting. Yeah. We just left our room. You can kind of see it's just so quiet. Oh, there it is. That's a cute view. See, that's what we're like staying in. Not that room, but it's kind of like that. As you can tell, I've already got my winter coat on because I'm so cold.
We're already really cold because
I don't know, it's only like 60 degrees.
we spend most of our time in hot, very warm climates. So
I'm not used to this. I literally bought this jacket just for like these trips because I don't need it in Florida. But we're walking. We're gonna go see like the visitor center and all that stuff and see what we can do because the maps are very confusing. They show like the measurement by like a line, but then the line,
the 2.1 mile distance is longer than the 22-mile distance.
Yeah, like the lines are not the right length. So
I don't know who decided they were gonna design maps that way, but I want them fired.
It was not, wait, where is this?
Yeah, this is good.
Okay, this is cool. Okay, well we're gonna keep walking and hopefully end up at a bus stop. Who knows? Okay, we made it to the visitor center. We just took our little bus. So, I don't know, we still haven't seen the canyon. This is gonna be this whole trip. All the same shots. Currently hiking up this little walkway. It's so quiet. And I'm so out of breath. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of a workout for me. Wow. Wait, this is it. It's just a freaking hole in the ground. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh.
I can't even see the bottom.
Dang. My camera can't even focus. Dang. Look at that.
Whoa.
Okay, hold on.
Does it look like I'm holding the Grand Canyon?
Exactly. It's like you're in it. If you look super closely, there's like a river down there. Oh, there it is, right there.
Oh.
Like, look. No, he's not. What? But look at how far away that is. And there's just like a rock stuck up here and some people. Stephen Mather, July 4th. Laid the foundation. Nice. Walking around the trail, I'm still cold. You can kind of see it out there. It's definitely getting colder. It's a good thing.
It's like starting to feel it in my cheeks and my nose.
I brought an extra sweatshirt and
We like packed up our gear for the night for our gloves and our scarves and our jackets. And
oh, I did bring my scarf. I was like,
all that little realization.
yeah. Well, because my backpack's so light, I expected it to be very heavy, but no. So we are just gonna walk around until the sun sets, and then hopefully get to. There's a hotel we have to go to find out about mule rides. So you can ride a mule down in the canyon, and I think it's something that we need to film. So like
that's gonna like up our view counts here.
yeah, that right there. So like that might be something we're doing.
I don't know if we want this experience.
Not like to actually be here or anything.
The Grand Canyon.
You're just looking all over.
Look at these freaking people.
There's just little humans out here about to die. Just taking their Snapchats. Can we talk about how we're just literally about to walk off a cliff? Ooh, I can't film it. I'm not afraid of heights, but right now I'm afraid of heights.
Not either. Look at that,
Look at it.
Pool all the way
Yeah,
down there.
that's so cool.
That's awesome.
That's as far as my zoom goes. I don't think I'll get over the fact that we can just, you know, walk to the edge of a cliff. Oh my god, this like really gives you like vertigo, and it makes you.
Look at that way.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like I have extreme vertigo, and it's making me have like afraid of heights right now. It's really crazy.
So if you want to really experience those sort of money, how more nights
Just come stay on the edge.
No, this is crazy though. Look at like all down there. That's insane. Look at like how far you can look.
Everything the sun touches is yours. So we just came into the Geology Museum that's just like out here on the trail. This is like a really cool view with the window. Wow! He broke it. Jeez. Look at, there's dad hats everywhere, and I'm so about all of them. Yes. Also this raven. Alright. We found a place to watch the sunset. Looks real nice, but obviously we're here for the main attraction. Poppers. Oh god, okay. But yeah, we're just chilling out here, waiting for the sunset. And then we're gonna make our way back and try to get a mule ride. Oh,
Yeah.
this is,
Okay, here.
this is a lot. We're just waiting for the sunset.
The air feels fresh.
There's a cat. There's a cat. There's a cat. The Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon. What? Also another pupper butt. Look at that pupper butt.
Oh,
Yes. Exactly. Okay, so we got back from the Grand Canyon and we're trying the spinach artichoke dip. Ooh, it's so much dip. Also, I got some beer here, some ale. It's supposed to be like Blue Moon, and she got some wine. We feel like real adults. Oh my god. So we just got done with dinner. It's very dark because it's been sunset for a while. and we were walking past like all of our cabins to get back because it was like a little bit of a walk. And also we were like this human.
Walking. Okay, story time. So we're literally just like, we're speed walking first of all because it's cold and it's dark, and Molly's phone battery was on 1%, mine was dead, and there's like hardly any light out here because we're literally at the Grand Canyon. And so like we were like walking to our room, and then all of a sudden we're like laughing and giggling, and then all of a sudden we hear this meow.
Like just like
Literally,
that.
it sounded exactly like that. It sounded like a human meowing
Like
at us.
human.
And it did it multiple times. I don't know if it was like a bobcat or like
I don't know.
what the heck was out there, but there's a real life animal out there and it's coming for us.
I don't know.
So
Like
we
I
have to
like
lock our door. Right
oh,
now.
we gotta put do not disturb so the cat knows. Well, we bolted. I was like, I know it's just a cat, but like, oh my god, that was so weird. But anyways, I figured I'd end the video because we are back here, and I can't imagine anything else exciting is gonna happen besides us watching
We're gonna like watch
TV.
TV for like 3 hours and go to bed because I had wine and she had beer.
Yeah, and then probably have some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So okay, so I'll see you in the next episode of the Grand Canyon vlogs.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.